Cabin 7322, an ocean suite. So you come in, you have a nice wood floor, like the inlays, the darker colors, nice granite countertops. To my left is sort of a closet dressing area. You have a nice lighted mirror in here, a little stool to sit on if you're doing your makeup. There is a couple closets here on this side. There's hanging there, shelves on this side. Moving into the bathroom, that toilet is in a great place for the tall or fluffy. I'm 6'4", so you can use my height as an example. Speaking of height, I still have some clearance in here. It'll be a little bit tighter in the Shub Tower combo here because I would take a step up, but that is also a Whirlpool tub. And let's not forget you do have his and her sinks, 6 shelves, and a makeup mirror. Moving into the main part, you only have one plug right here plus the 220. So 1 US power, 1 220. Again, it's an older ship, so by standards of the day, that was pretty good, right? You have a little mini fridge in there. Sofa that can convert to a bed, nice sitting chair, and a coffee table. On this side, you have your 2 twins that can convert into a king, or you can have them separated. Nice big mirror back there, nice nightstands. You also have additional cabinetry over here for closet space. Smaller TV by today's standards, and sort of like a little mini bar area, even though the mini fridge is here. Okay, moving out to the balcony. The balcony is pretty long, but it's not very deep, right? So you have some chairs on that side, chairs on this side, but it's not very deep. Again, older ship. This was pretty good back in the day. We've changed our standards a little bit, so balconies have gotten bigger. So there's your ocean fleet. Hope you enjoy.